I'd like to show you what I'm working on right now. I'd like to give a shout out and a thank you to Grant Mara. Thank you, Grant, for showing me the video of the difference between the CT intake and the big bore stroker intake. I've never seen the difference, but I learn something new every day, and I really appreciate you showing me that. I don't have $150 to lay out for the new intake right now. So what I'm going to do, and this is the one thing I really like to do when I'm working with the little Honda right here, is I like to experiment. So I know that this black intake will fit on the intake side of the CT manifold, and I know that if I bolt it together it'll fit. But what I've done is I've taken the black part right here and I've sketched the outline of how much feathering I'm going to have to do to open up this port. See, it's winter and I'm going to do it. Eventually I will go down and buy the $150 larger intake. And again, Grant, I really want to thank you. I mean, I learn something new every day, and I'm almost 60 and this old Hallie keeps learning. That's the fun part. So what I've done is I've taken this spigot here, rubber spigot, and I've bolted it on here, and then I've taken a scribe. This is what I call a scribe right here, and I've gone in and gone around all here. I've also done the same thing with the other side. Since I've got a spare CT manifold and I have a spare intake, and I've got about 3 months before I can ride, I'm going to see if I can make this fit and just see what it does. But with the video, Grant, that you showed me in that really cool looking spree of yours, I mean, that thing is the bomb, brah. It is the Ochi bra bomb fly, and really cool. Okay. And don't blame me, I ain't that young. Okay. Anyway, I tried to be hip, but you can only be so hip if you're so Hallie.